What are adaptogens?
Adaptogens are natural substances, often herbs or mushrooms, believed to help the body adapt to stress and restore balance. They have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, especially in Asia and Eastern Europe. Today, adaptogens are found in teas, capsules, and powders. Common adaptogens include ashwagandha, rhodiola, ginseng, and holy basil.
How adaptogens may benefit your health.
Adaptogens are thought to support the body in managing physical, mental, and emotional stress. Some studies suggest they may help reduce fatigue, improve focus, and boost energy. Others point to possible effects on immune health and mood. However, most research is preliminary, and more large-scale human studies are needed to fully understand their benefits.
Popular adaptogens and their uses.
Ashwagandha is commonly used for stress and anxiety. Rhodiola may promote stamina and mental performance. Ginseng is often sought for energy and immune support, while holy basil is used for its calming properties. People incorporate these herbs into smoothies, teas, or supplements, always starting with small amounts to assess tolerance.
Safety tips and precautions.
Although adaptogens are generally considered safe for most healthy adults, they can interact with medications or cause side effects, such as digestive upset or headaches. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before use. Choose reputable brands and avoid combining multiple adaptogens without guidance.
Incorporating adaptogens into daily life.
Start with one adaptogen at a low dose and observe how your body responds. Use as part of a balanced lifestyle, including a nutritious diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Adaptogens are not a substitute for medical treatment, but when used thoughtfully, they may support well-being and resilience in daily life.